What is going on, Lucid fans? Welcome back to Financial Journey. So today I want to go over something very fast for this upcoming earnings and what that might mean for us as investors. But before we get into any of that, making sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Make sure you guys do subscribe because I'm going to be live streaming the Lucid earnings as well. So stay tuned for that. And also don't forget to pop over to my Discord, link in the description below. It's a free chat, a lot of good people. And with that said, let's get right to it. So you can see currently we are down roughly about 7.5%, 11 million as far as overall volume, so that is a little bit lower. Average is 44.6, that is a 6-month average, and 475,000 shares being purchased by institutions and hedge funds just today alone. So even in that regard, a lot of institutions are waiting for this upcoming earnings. But when it comes down to this earnings, there's going to be several different factors that a lot of investors look for, and they are earnings per share, revenue, and future guidance. Incorporated in the future guidance, it is a little bit more vague because they do talk about a lot of different things, one of which is deliveries, production, and hands down, I think that is one of the biggest things that a lot of investors are really worried about. But there was a recent report that did come out by Bank of America that does allude to possibly how many vehicles were produced in Q1 of 2022. So looking right here, as far as Q1, you want to look down here, Lucid Motors, 393. I know a lot of you are already jaw dropped and that is relatively low. And I did do a poll as well just to give you a good projection of what people are thinking leading up to this. Majority of you do think that it is going to be 200 or less. So keeping in line, the 393 is higher than expectation if you want to think of it that in a positive light. Me personally, I think it is going to be around 450, give or take. But so if it is between this amount, I do feel that there might be a little bit of a sell-off that does result from that. But again, there's going to be a lot of things that they do talk on, one of which is reservations, to see also if there still is supply chain issues, whether there's glass, carpet, chips, whatever it might be. There's a lot of things that could override the deficiencies in production and things like that. So even worst case scenario, so even if we do have bad production, and Bank of America is correct with the 393, then most likely we will have a little bit more of a dip. But like I said, there's a lot more hopefully positive things that can come from this that will outweigh that. But again, I just wanted to give you a quick update. Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments below. And if you think Bank of America is correct with 393, let me know in the comments below. And while you're doing that, put in the comments below what number you actually feel Q1 is going to represent as far as a delivery amount. So let me know. I'm very curious to see. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. If you like my channel and support the growth, take a look at my memberships, link in the description below, or just hit the join button at the bottom of the screen. With all that said though, I appreciate you guys watching, and let's all make a lot of money on Lucid.